Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can speed up your computer in under a minute, so simply start by opening Notepad. Then simply type in mstring equals 80 million. Then after click on Save As. So save it on desktop, and then save it as ram.vb. And make sure it's encoded to ANSI. Then save it. And now as you can see it's set to this format, so if you click it you will see that your computer has fastened up, and it won't be freezing any sooner, so thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.